Hello students, in this video we are going to study addition and subtraction of fractions. In that first one, adding and subtracting like fractions. When we are adding or subtracting like fractions, we have to follow these steps. Add or subtract numerators directly and write sum or difference as the numerator of the resultant fraction and copy denominators as it is. Now let's solve exercise 7.5. In that first question, write the fractions appropriately as additions or subtraction. Now here some figures are given and that figures are divided into some parts and some parts are shaded from that figure. Now here in this figure all the parts are shaded, therefore out of 5 all the parts are shaded, therefore 5 upon 5. In this figure here total 3 parts are shaded out of 5, therefore 3 upon 5 is equal to out of 5 2 parts are shaded, therefore 2 upon 5. So after adding which sign here, we will get this answer 2 upon 5. So here suppose if we added minus sign, then see here denominators are same. So denominator copied as it is. Now 5 minus 3 is what? 2. So therefore here which sign will come? Minus sign will come. In this way we can solve this type of problems. Now let's solve second question. Solve 1 upon 18 plus 1 upon 18. Students, we can see here both the fractions are like fractions, and we know that if given fractions are like fractions, we have to copy denominator as it is and we have to add numerators. Therefore 1 plus 1 numerators we will add and denominator will copy as it is. Therefore 1 plus 1 is 2 and 18 as it is. Now this 2 upon 18 we can reduce to its lowest term. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 nines are 18. Therefore 1 upon 9 will be the final answer of this. Let's solve one more question. 12 upon 15 minus 7 upon 15. Here subtraction is there as well as given fractions are like fractions. If like fractions are there, copy denominator as it is. Now here 12 minus 7 as it is. Numerators we have to write as it is. Okay. Now 12 minus 7 is what? 5. This 15 copy as it is. 5 upon 15. Now 5 upon 15 will reduce to its lowest term. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. So its lowest term will be 1 upon 3. Therefore 1 upon 3 is the difference of these two fractions. See one more example. 1 minus 2 upon 3. Here it is given that 1 is equal to 3 upon 3. Why it is given 1 is equal to 3 upon 3? Because we know that any number divided by itself will be 1. Always equal to 1. Therefore 1 will take as 3 upon 3, as in this fraction denominator is 3. Okay. Now therefore this 1 will write as 3 upon 3. And 3 upon 3 is equal to what? 1 only. Minus as it is 2 upon 3 as it is. Now here denominators are same. Copy denominator as it is. Now subtraction of numerators. 3 minus 2 is what? 1. 3 minus 2, 1. And this 3 as it is. 1 upon 3 is the difference of these two fractions. Next example. 3 minus 12 upon 5. Students, this 3 we can write as 15 upon 5. And 15 upon 5 is nothing but 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. 3 only. Yes or no? So we can write this 3 as 15 upon 5. The minus sign as it is. Now 12 upon 5 as it is. Now here see denominators are same. So copy denominator as it is. Now here subtraction of numerators 15 minus 12. Okay. Now 15 minus 12 is what? 3. This 5 as it is. So what will be the difference of 3 minus 12 upon 5? 3 upon 5. I hope you understood this. Now we'll solve one word problem. That is, Shubham painted 2/3 of the wall space in his room. His sister Madhvi helped and painted 1/3 of the wall space. How much did they paint together? All together, how much they have painted, that we need to find out. So first I will write given things. Fraction of wall painted by Shubham is 2/3 and fraction of wall painted by Madhvi is 1/3. Therefore total painting by both of them is equal to 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. We have to add them. Here we can see both the fractions are like fractions. So copy denominator as it is and 2 plus 1 means numerator we will add. That is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Denominator copy as it is. Now it becomes 3 upon 3 and 3 upon 3 is nothing but 1. Right? Therefore we can say that they painted complete wall. Therefore answer is they both together painted one full wall. Next question is fill in the missing fractions. Now here see, here is the missing fraction which we have to fill now. Minus 3 upon 21 is equal to 5 upon 21. So which fraction will come here? Means after subtracting this fraction from that particular fraction, we'll get difference 5 upon 21. See here students, if I return in this blank place 8 upon 21, then see denominators will be same. So I will copy this denominator as it is, and 8 minus 3 will be 5. So like this we have to find out that fraction. Or else, students, we know that transposing method, transferring one number from one side to another side of the equal to sign, right? So that method also we can use here. This 5 upon 21 I will write as it is, and this minus 3 upon 21, when I will transfer to that side, it will become plus 3 upon 21. This we have studied in 5th standard. Okay, now here see 5 upon 21 plus 3 upon 21. So 5 plus 3, 8, 21 copy as it is. So what will be the answer? 8 upon 21. So here that number will come 8 upon 21. In this way also we can solve this type of problems. Students, see one more example. Dash plus 5 upon 27 is equal to 12 upon 27. So here which fraction will come? Suppose if I written here 7 upon 27, then see here 27 copy as it is. Now 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So that fraction will be 7 upon 27. Now next part is adding and subtracting unlike fractions. Now suppose we are going to add or subtract unlike fractions, then these steps we have to follow. First, find the LCM of denominators of the given fractions. Okay, then after finding LCM of the denominators, find equivalent fractions of given fractions with the denominator equal to the LCM. And then if addition is there, add, or if subtraction is there, subtract. See one example now. Add 2 upon 5 to 1 upon 3. Here we can see both the fractions are unlike fractions. So first we have to convert them into the like fractions. And the procedure is that first we need to find out LCM of denominators. Therefore LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Next, we have to make their denominators equal to the LCM. Therefore this 2 upon 5, this fraction I taken here. Now I want to make its denominator equal to 15. So by which number I have to multiply this 5? So it will become 15. So I will have to multiply this 5 with 3. Okay, so I am going to multiply this 5 with 3. So it will become 5 3s are 15. And now if I multiply its denominator by 3, then multiply numerator also by 3. So it will become 2 3s are 6. So the fraction will be 6 upon 15. In the same way, take another fraction. Now here see, when I will multiply this 3 with 5, 3 5s are 15 I will get. Right? So multiply its numerator also with 5. So 5 1s are 5. So this fraction will become 5 upon 15. Now here, this both the fractions we converted into the like fractions. So we can add them directly now. Therefore, 6 upon 15 plus 5 upon 15, this 15 we can copy directly, denominator we can copy directly, and 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Therefore, what will be the sum of 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 3? 11 upon 15. Now we'll solve exercise 7.6. In that first question, solve one example I will take 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 7. So here given fractions are unlike fractions. So first we have to convert them into the like fractions. So find out LCM of denominators first. LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. So now we have to convert their denominators equal to the LCM. Okay. Now therefore to get here 21, by which number you will multiply this 3? You will multiply by 7. Okay. 3 multiply by 7. In the same way, this 2 also I am going to multiply with 7. So 2 7s are 14 you will get here. This will become 14 upon 21. In the same way, this fraction also, see here, 7 I am going to multiply with 3. 7 3s are 21. This also you multiply with 3. 1 3s are 3. Now see here, both the fractions we converted into the like fractions. And these are equivalent fractions of these fractions. Means value is same, only numbers we have changed there. Okay. Therefore, 14 upon 21 plus 3 upon 21 will become 14 plus 3 is 17, 17 upon 21. Therefore, sum of 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 7 is 17 upon 21. See one more example. Again, unlike fractions. Find LCM of denominators. LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. Now we are going to convert them into their equivalent fractions with the denominator equal to the LCM. Therefore, 5 upon 6 is equal to, here we want denominator 6. So by which number you will multiply this 6? You will multiply this 6 with 1. 6 1s are 6. So here also multiply by 1. So 5 1s are 5. This fraction will remain as it is. 5 upon 6 only. Now here see, I will multiply by 2. 3 2s are 6. Here also multiply by 2. 2 1s are 2. Therefore, equivalent fraction of 5 upon 6 is 5 upon 6 and 1 upon 3 is 2 upon 6. Okay. Therefore, 5 upon 6 minus 2 upon 6 is equal to this 6 copy as it is, denominator copy as it is, 5 minus 2 is 3. and 3 upon 6 is nothing but 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, that is 1 upon 2. Therefore 5 upon 6 minus 1 upon 3 is 1 upon 2. Students, see one more example in which 3 fractions are there. 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. So procedure will be same. Okay. So first we have to find out LCM of all the 3 denominators. Therefore LCM of 3, 4 and 2 is 12. So after getting LCM, we need to find equivalent fractions of given fractions with the denominator equal to the LCM. So first I will take 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3 is equal to, here we want denominator equal to 12. So by which number shall I multiply this 3? I will multiply by 4. So 3 4s are 12. So multiply here also by 4. So it will become 2 4s are 8. Okay. Now in the same way, this fraction also will convert to their equivalent fraction with the denominator equal to the LCM. So multiply by 3. 4 3s are 12. Here also multiply by 3. 3 3s are 9. In the same way, this fraction also, see here, 1 upon 2. Multiply by 6. 2 6 are 12. Here also multiply by 6. This will become 1 multiplied by 6, 6. So we converted all the, we find out equivalent fraction of all these fractions with the denominator equal to the LCM. Now these all fractions become like fractions. Now we will add them. Therefore these all fractions I am going to add now. 8 upon 12 plus 9 upon 12 plus 6 upon 12. Denominator is same. So copy denominator as it is and add all the numerators. 8 plus 9 plus 6. Therefore 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 6 is 23. Upon 12 as it is. Now 23 upon 12 is nothing but 12 ones are 12. 12 plus 11 is 23. We return this improper fraction as mixed fraction. So therefore 1 and 11 upon 12 will be the answer of this question, or we can say sum of these 3 fractions. In this question, students, you can see 2 mixed fractions. Okay, we have to subtract them. So this problem is also very simple. In that way only we have to solve. But first, these mixed fractions we have to convert into the improper fraction. So how I am going to convert? See here, 4 8s are 32 plus 1 is 33. Therefore 33 upon denominator as it is. Now minus sign as it is. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 5 17. 17 upon 6. So these mixed fractions we converted into the improper fraction. Now use same process. Now LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Okay. Now see here, this 4 will make equal to the 12 by multiplying with 3. So 4 3s are 12 and here also multiply by 3. So it will become 99. Now here also see, multiply this with 2. 6 2s are 12 and this also multiply by 2. So it will become 17 2s are 34. Okay. Now these both the fractions, we find out equivalent fractions of these both the fractions. Now we can subtract them, which are like fractions. So we can subtract them easily. Therefore 99 upon 12 minus 34 upon 12. Therefore 99 minus 34 is 65. 12 as it is. Now 65 upon 12 we can write as 12 5 is 60 plus 5, that is 65. Therefore 5 and 5 upon 12 is the difference between 33 upon 4 minus 17 upon 6. Or we can say 8 and 1 upon 4 minus 2 upon 2 and 5 upon 6. See next question, fill in the boxes. Now this dash minus 1 upon 5 is equal to 1 upon 2. So here we are going to use transposing method. So this minus 1 upon 5 I am going to transfer to that side. So it will become minus 1 upon 5 will become plus 1 upon 5. Therefore 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 5. Therefore here LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. So we will convert their denominators equal to the LCM equal to the 10. Therefore 1 upon 2 I am going to multiply with 5. So it will become 5 2s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. In the same way 1 upon 5 also I am going to multiply with 2. So it will become 5 2s are 10 and 2 1s are 2. Denominators are same. Copy as it is. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 upon 10 is the answer. So here in this blank place, which number will come? 7 upon 10. See one more question. 1 upon 2 minus dash is equal to 1 upon 6. Here also I am going to use transposing method. So this minus 1 upon 6 I am going to transfer to this side. So plus 1 upon 6 will become minus 1 upon 6. And this minus this box I am going to transfer to that side. So it will become plus box. Okay. So that box will remain as it is, empty. Now we have to find out that. Now this 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 6. Here denominators are different. Find their LCM. What will be the LCM of 2 and 6? 6 will be the LCM, right? Therefore we have to make their denominators equal to the 6. Therefore 1 upon 2 as it is. So I want to make this denominator equal to 6. So I will multiply this 2 with 3. 2 3s are 6 and 1 3s are 3. Now here minus, here denominator already equal to the LCM. Therefore 6 1s are 6, 1 1s are 1. Now therefore see here, 3 upon 6 minus 1 upon 6. Denominators are same. Copy denominator as it is. Now 3 minus 1 is what? 2. Therefore 2 upon 6 is the answer. So in that blank space, which number will come? 2 upon 6. See one word problem. A piece of wire 7 upon 8 meter long broke into 2 pieces. One piece was 1 upon 4 meter long. How long is the other piece? Therefore given things are total length of wire is 7 upon 8 meter. Okay. Now length of first part is 1 upon 4 meter. We need to find out the length of the other piece. Therefore remaining part is equal to 7 upon 8 meter total length minus 1 upon 4. Now we need to find out here LCM. LCM is 8. Therefore 7 upon 8 will remain as it is minus this 4 will become 8 by multiplying with 2. 4 to the 8 and 1 to the 2. Therefore here this 7 upon 8 as it is minus this 2 upon 4 to the 8. Now 7 minus 2 upon 8. That is 7 minus 2 is 5 and this 8 as it is. Therefore 5 upon 8 meter will be the length of other piece.